Hi guys! So we are going to do our Ruby Bridges project for our bulletin board in the hallway, and you've already received all of your items. So you've got the head and the hair and all the different pieces, the hands and the legs. So you're going to cut them out along the lines of each one, and I will show you an example with this one. This is the head and the ears. I have already cut out all of the other pieces to save time for the video, but I wanted to show you that you're just going to cut along the lines like so. Cut that. So I have my head. Gonna get my ears. Just one ear. And the other ear. So you're just going to cut along the line. Now, you've got this page, and I gave you a colored page along with your writing page. Now, some of you might want to write a lot, so I put two in there for you, and you'll just stack them. You'll write on, if you write 2 pages, you'll write one, and then you'll put the other one underneath it, but I'm only going to show you on one. So, I'm going to glue this page and put some glue on the construction paper. On the edges. You might want to do your writing before you glue the paper on, because it might be a little bit harder to write on top of glue. So you might want to write your story before you glue this together, that's how it's going to go. You're just going to glue the page right in the center of the whatever color you have. Now, you have a paper that shows you an example of what it is. You'll find it in here. It shows you an example of what she's going to look like. So I put that on there for you to have a guideline. And that's another reason I'm also making the videos, so that you have a guideline of how to do this. Let's see if I can find the page that I need. Oh, there she is. So this is your page that I gave you. You can see, I'm not going to have time to color mine, but you are going to color her. And you can see in the picture, I know it's a black and white picture, but you can still see that they put some glitter on her shoes, and they put some glitter on her bows. They made her a little fancy and dazzling, right? So you can decorate it and color it however you want to do it. I'm not coloring mine because that would take a long time for the video, but you're going to draw her face on there too. So you're going to take and glue her head kind of right here on the edge. Do you see that? Now, just on the very edge, okay, I'm going to take a little bit of glue right there, and I'm going to glue her head on there. I don't want to cover up too much, right? I don't want to cover up too much of the writing because I still want everybody to be able to see it when they're in the hallway. I'm also going to reinforce the back with a piece of tape because there's not very much on there. So I'm going to take a little piece of tape and stick it right here and connect the two pieces. Okay, so that's her head. Push it down real tight. Her little hands. Oh my gosh, how cute are these? Where's the other one? Okay. Her little hands. Okay, I know that this doesn't look like hands until we put it on the paper, but these are her hands, I promise. So she's grabbing the paper is what it is. So you're going to stick the little hands up here in the corner like this. She's grabbing, she's holding the paper up, right? It's her story. She's holding her story up. You're going to glue her little hands in there. Okay, there's her little hand. She's holding her paper, her story. You're going to take, this is the top of her hair, okay? So you're going to take it and you're going to put it on her head, right? You're going to glue it onto her head. So you'll put some glue on the hair part. Let it stick up a little bit because our hair isn't flat on our head, right? It sticks up a little bit. That goes like that. Okay, so you can kind of see in the back, right? My girl must be turning her head a little bit because her hair is crooked. I didn't put it on straight, but that's okay. It'll still look okay. Let's do her braids. She's got some little braids. Okay, let's stick her ears on first. All right, I'm gonna tape these on. You can put the ear right here and tape it from the back right next to her hair. So I'm gonna tape the two pieces together like that. Her ear. I'm going to take this other one. Okay. She has her ears. Now her braids. The braids go underneath her ears. Like they're coming out from behind her ears. My little girls. So, if you see how I'm putting it right behind her ear, right behind her ear so it sticks down, right? Like that. You can tape it or glue it. I'm going to glue mine. Same on the other side. Okay. There she has her braids. See, this one looks longer than the other one because she's tilting her head. Mine is tilting her head. Okay. But So you're gonna, when you color her and put her face on her, she'll look like more like a little person. But isn't she cute? No. Now the legs. See the legs? All right. There's two. Okay. And you're gonna put them to come out the bottom. You just stick them out the bottom like this, because she's standing behind her story. So she has legs. I'm going to put her bows. These are the two. So these are the two bows that are shaped like this, are the ones that go on the ends of her braids. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue right there on that part. Stick it on the end of her braid. Cute bow like that. A little bit of glue on the back of this one. And stick it on the end of that braid. Look how cute she is. Okay, so you have another bow that you can put on her hair, like up here at the top if you want, okay? You do not have to put that on there if you do not want to. If you feel like the two bows is enough, you can do that. It is your Ruby Bridges, so it is up to you. But I like the extra bow. I think it's cute. So I'm going to put the extra bow. I'm going to put it right here. I like it. Just like that. Okay. So there she is. I have not put her feet on, and you know what? I think I forgot to cut her feet out. So let's do that real quick, because I want you to see her shoes. And I forgot to get her shoes out. Hold on. Where's the shoes? Where are your shoes? Oh, come on. Oh my goodness, guys. There they are. There's some shoes. Okay? Give me a second. Gotta cut those out real quick. Can't forget her shoes, because we want to add sparkle to that, right? It is entirely up to you how you want to color it. When you are done with your project, when you're done writing about her, when you're done putting her all together and coloring her, I want you to have one of your parents bring her back up to the school and drop her off so I can put her on our bulletin board in the hallway. And I redid our bulletin board today so that it is nice and ready for us. And one of our classmates dropped off some really pretty special markers, and I used those to decorate our bulletin board. That looks super cute. So we'll put these shoes on, and I'll see if I can carry you out there to, oh, I'm not going to have enough time on the video. I'm going to get 15 minutes. So anyway, all right, so I'm going to glue a little bit on the edge. I'll post a picture of what our classroom bulletin board looks like. I'm going to put this shoe over here. And this bit. And then I'm going to put this shoe over here. On this bit. And there you have her. Your own little Ruby Bridges holding her story. Isn't she cute? Alright guys, thanks. I will see you Monday.